relationship between cost, profit and sales. Relationship between cost, profit and sales. So I think since your childhood you have been learning a relationship between cost, profit and sales. Can you tell me what is the relationship you have learned already? You don't know a relationship between cost, profit and sales. Is there a relationship between cost, profit and sales?
Profit is equal to sales price minus cost.
So he knows a relationship already. Write down. Relationship between cost, profit and sales. Relationship between cost, profit and sales. I know one relationship. It is C plus P is equal to S. Cost plus profit is equal to sales. What is C?
Cost price.
What is C? Cost price. What is P? Profit. What is S?
Sales.
That is general meaning you learn. But in accounting, there is a specific meaning attached to cost, profit and sales. Write down. First write down this equation. C plus P is equal to S. C plus P is equal to S. What is C? You say cost, but I say it is cost of goods sold. Write down. C is cost of goods sold. C means cost of goods sold. P means what? Gross profit. Gross profit. S means what? Now you have got the correct meaning. Net sales. It's not gross sales. Net sales. C means what? Cost of goods sold. What is P? Gross profit. What is S?
Net sales.
What is cost of goods sold?
C.
How to calculate cost of goods sold? Net purchases, direct expenses. You get cost of goods available for sale. Less closing stock. You get cost of goods sold. So that is how you calculate cost of goods sold. Add gross profit to it, you get net sales. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, you will try to learn relationship between gross profit and sales and gross profit and cost using percentages. So now study the relationship. Write down. Calculation of. So now we are studying the relationship. We know the relationship? No. Now we are studying it. Write down. Calculation of gross profit as a percentage on sales. Underline. As a percentage on sales. What do I want to learn? Listen to me. I want to know if sales is cent, 100. Cent means 100. If sales is cent, how much is my gross profit? I want to know if sales is 100, if I get 100 rupees of sales, in that what is the gross profit I am going to get? Write down how to calculate that profit percentage. Right. Profit on sales percentage is equal to profit on sales percentage is equal to P by S into 100. P by S into 100. No, profit can be expressed as a percentage on sales and can also be expressed as a percentage on cost. Normally, your statement is wrong. Profit is always expressed as a percentage on sales. not on cost. Right on. Next. Calculation of profit as a percentage. Now what this will help you to calculate? It will help us to know if sales is 100, what is the gross profit I am going to get. Okay, if I make a sales of 100 rupees, how much gross profit I can expect. Next. Profit on cost percentage. Calculation of gross profit as a percentage on cost. Read the heading. Calculation of gross profit as a percentage on cost. Calculation of gross profit as a percentage on cost. Now tell me, how do you calculate gross profit percentage on cost?
P by C.
It is profit on cost percentage is equal to profit on cost percentage is equal to P by C into 100. P by C into 100. Profit on cost percentage. P by C into 100. Profit on cost percentage you will get. Now this formula will help you to know if cost is sent. If cost of goods sold is 100, what is gross profit equal to? Here, if sales is 100, I want to know what is gross profit. Here, if cost is 100 rupees, how much am I going to get as gross profit? That is what I want to know. Okay. So I am expressing profit as a percentage on sales, or I am expressing profit as a percentage on cost. Easy? No problem. Sales 10 lakhs. No, not relevant, just right. Sales 10 lakhs. Cost of goods sold cost of goods sold 8 lakhs. Gross profit. Question mark.
2 lakh.
Gross profit, how much? 2 lakh. See, from this relationship, I think we can find out some more relationships, no?
Yes, sir.
C plus P is equal to S. If I want to know P, kick C to the other side. Kick C to the other side. S minus C. If I want C, kick P to the other side. C is equal to S minus P. Okay. So once you know this relationship, if I want to know P, kick C to the other side, S minus C. If I want to know P, kick C to the other side, I'll get S minus C as P. Is it clear? So I think I have not given you gross profit, so I expect you to calculate. If 10 lakh is the sales, cost of goods sold is 8 lakh. So gross profit should be 2 lakh. Write down there. Calculate gross profit as a percentage on sales and also as a percentage on cost. Calculate gross profit as a percentage on sales and also as a percentage on cost. Profit on sales percentage is equal to P by S into 100. What is P? 2 lakh. Gross profit
10
divided by sales 10 lakh into 100. It is 20% on. You cannot leave it like writing 20%. You should write 20% on sales. You should write 20% on sales. Next, profit on cost percentage. P by C into 100. 2 lakh. What is cost now? 8 lakhs into 100. 25% on cost. Write down one more problem. Write down one more problem. Sales 15 lakhs. Sales 15 lakhs. Gross profit 5 lakhs. Cost of goods sold question mark. Cost of goods sold question mark. How do you calculate? Sales minus gross profit is nothing but cost of goods sold. How much is it? 10 lakh. Please calculate profit on cost percentage and profit on sales percentage. I want you to calculate profit on sales percentage and profit on cost percentage. Profit on sales percentage and profit on cost percentage. Please tell me how you calculate profit on sales percentage. Profit is how much? 5 lakh. Sales is how much? 15 lakh into 100. 33.33% on sales. 1/3 on sales, which is nothing but 33.33% on sales. The same gross profit, if you express as a percentage on cost, 5 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100, it is 50% on cost. Now what is the meaning of this 50% on cost? If cost is 100, gross profit is 50. Meaning of this, if sales is 100 rupees, I will get a profit of 33.33 rupees. Okay. This is how you calculate gross profit on sales percentage and gross profit on cost percentage. So what will be the uses of these percentages? Write down. Use of gross profit percentages. So what we can do is, with these gross profit percentages, listen to me. Current year we can calculate our gross profit percentages, compare it to last year gross profit percentages. It will help us to know whether we are going upward or downward, whether we are doing business profitably or our profits are reducing. We will come to know that. Or we can compare our gross profit percentages with the gross profit percentage of a competitor to know whether we are efficient or inefficient. Okay, that is one use. Other uses, write down. Use of gross profit percentages, write down. If sales is known in rupees, sales is known in rupees and gross profit percentage on sales is known, gross profit in rupees can be calculated. If you know sales in rupees and you know gross profit on sales percentage, we can calculate gross profit in rupees. How do you calculate that? Write down. Gross profit in rupees is equal to gross profit in rupees is equal to, I know two numbers, sales and gross profit on sales percentage. If you want to know gross profit in rupees, multiply sales with the gross profit on sales percentage. You will come to know the gross profit in rupees. One more formula you write down. If cost of goods sold is known and gross profit percentage is also known on cost of goods sold is known and gross profit percentage on cost is known, gross profit in rupees can be calculated. Gross profit in rupees can be calculated. How can you calculate gross profit in rupees when cost of goods sold and gross profit percentage is known? Look at the board. Gross profit in rupees is equal to cost of goods sold into gross profit on cost percentage. So two ways of calculating gross profit in rupees. One, sales into gross profit on sales percentage, or two, cost of goods sold into gross profit percentage on cost percentage. Okay. So either you multiply sales with profit on sales percentage, or you multiply cost with profit on cost percentage. Right on a problem? Right on a problem? Sales 10 lakhs. Sales 10 lakh. Gross profit on sales percentage. Gross profit on sales percentage 20%. Gross profit on sales percentage 20. Calculate gross profit in rupees. Calculate gross profit in rupees. I know sales and I know gross profit on sales percentage. It is how much? 10 lakh into 20%, 2 lakh rupees is my gross profit. 2 lakh rupees is my gross profit. Next question. And gradually increase the complexity. See, when you are cooking with curry, you don't put all the masala in the beginning. You put all the masala in the beginning, no, the person is cooking, he will not be able to stand there. And all the people in the house will also not be there. You should put the masala when the time comes. Time will come. Write down. Next problem. You should be able to frame the problem now. You know in what way I want to teach you the concept. Cost of goods sold is equal to, next problem, cost of goods sold. Very good. 8 lakhs. Gross profit on cost percentage 25. Very good. Cost of gross profit on cost percentage. Gross profit on cost percentage 25. 25. Calculate gross profit. Calculate gross profit and also sales. Calculate gross profit and sales. How can we calculate gross profit? See, we already know that we are given in the problem cost of goods sold and profit on cost percentage. Both of them can be multiplied to calculate gross profit. Once I get gross profit, I know cost of goods sold. Add both of them to get sales. So how much do I get here? 8 lakh is my cost of goods sold. Gross profit percentage is 25%. Gross profit is 2 lakh. Very good. So gross profit in rupees is 2 lakh. Did you get? But I think one more question was asked. Sales. C plus P. Write down. Sales is equal to 8 lakh plus 2 lakh. 10 lakh. Write down one more problem. Write down one more problem. Friend, sales 15 lakhs. Profit on sales percentage. Profit on sales percentage. How much? 33.33. Profit on sales percentage 33.33. Calculate
Cost.
No, calculate gross profit in rupees and cost in rupees.
Cost.
Very good. Sales figure. How much is the sales figure? 15 lakh. Gross profit percentage 33.33%. How much do you get? 5 lakh. Don't fight for change. This is 5 lakh. I got the gross profit in rupees. What did I want? One more question I asked. Cost. C is equal to S minus P. 15 lakh minus 5 lakh. 10 lakhs. Next, one more problem. Quickly frame it. Then I teach you very important formulas. Two very important formulas which you should never forget in your life. Write down. Write down. Next. Cost of goods sold 10 lakhs. Cost of goods sold 10 lakhs. Gross profit on cost percentage 50 percentage. Very good. I'll add masala, I told you no. Gross profit on cost percentage 50%. Calculate gross profit in rupees. You all said too easy. When the problem comes in the exam, you are not able to do. Cost of goods sold is how much? 10 lakh into 50%. 5 lakh. Write down two more formulas. Neatly note it down. Please note down the two formulas very neatly. Gross profit in rupees is equal to sales in rupees into profit on cost percentage. One more formula. Gross profit in rupees is equal to cost of goods sold in rupees into profit on sales percentage. put it down. Gross profit in rupees is equal to sales in rupees into profit on cost percentage and gross profit in rupees is equal to cost of goods sold in rupees into profit on sales percentage. Put it down. Now put a box and neatly strike it off. These two formulas you should never use in your life. Please, go upper. You have to strike it off. Please strike off these two formulas. We should never use these kind of formulas. Okay? If you use this formula, the institute will make it sure that you will never become a chartered accountant. Okay?
तो जिंदगी भर नहीं बोलते सर.
No, you should not. You should strike it off in a manner that you should know what you have written and what you should not do. Okay? Please never use these kind of formulas. Stop for the day. In tomorrow's class we will learn, listen to me, we will learn if sales is given, profit on cost percentage is given, how to solve the problem. If cost is given and profit on sales percentage is given, then how to solve the problem. In tomorrow's class we will discuss.